Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to do a linear search program in Python. So here I have a list L1, okay, in which I have done some numbers 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99, and 11. Sorry, 111. Now I'm trying to find this particular item, which is 55. Now I want to do a linear search, okay, from the starting point till the ending point, and I will compare whether this item 55, whether it is equal to this 11, then capture its index, then again if not, I'll move to the next element, that is 22, and then compare that 55 with this particular element. Like this I'm going to keep iterating to each and every item unless both of these items, my item and whatever the item present in this list L1, becomes the same. So I'm going to take a index value, okay, which at the beginning I'll simply make it as 0. Okay, so since we don't know where exactly 55 is right now, so we'll keep the index value as 0 itself. Okay, now all you have to do is you have to just loop through each and every object and compare it with this particular item which we are trying to search. So I'll do like this. For I in range, from the 0 index, I know 11 is at 0 index, and this is total length minus 1. So I'm going to say for I in range, it starts from 0 and it ends at total length of L1. Okay, it's total length of L1. Now here what I need to do is, okay, I need to create a if condition saying that if the item which I'm trying to search, if it is equal to, okay, any of the values of L1 of I. See, L1 of I starts from 0, so L1 of I will be 11 at the moment when the program starts. So whether this 55 is equal to that particular element 11. Okay, no means it will go on, it will move on to the next element, next element, next element, unless it finds that particular element like this. Okay, but as soon as it finds that element, okay, here what I'm going to do, I'm going to say result. Okay, result value I'm going to keep initially as false. Okay, and once when these both of the elements, okay, match with each other, see this my item and this value, if it matches with each other, then I'm going to say, okay, first the result value I'm going to make it as true, saying that the result value has become true and no need to search any further. Okay, there is no need to search any further, and break the program here itself. That's it. Okay, and before breaking the program, I'm going to capture that index value as well. So index is equal to that value of I where these two matched with each other. Okay, so this is how you perform a linear search. Okay, and once when the linear search is done, okay, I'm going to print a statement saying that the item which we were trying to search was at this index in the list L1. So I'm going to say the item. Okay, so I'm going to say like this, the number item, okay, is at index this much. Okay, and here I'm going to say format, I'm going to use the format operator, and see here are the this curly brace, I want to see my particular item which I was trying to search, and here will be the index value. Okay, at index we have stored it in this index value like this. Okay, but this statement I'm going to keep it in an if condition saying that if the result value has become true, if the result is equal to true, then this statement should get printed on the screen. But if it remained false, okay, if it remained false, then we will say in the else statement that the number, okay, the number is not present in the list. Here I'm going to put dot format operator once again and put that item over here, item, like this. So this is how you perform a linear search. So let me just execute this program, and it is saying the item 55 is at fourth index. So let us check 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. So this is one way of doing it. And suppose let's say I want to search 100. Okay, see guys, 100 is not there in this particular list, but then also we are saying try to find this particular item, which is 100. Now when I run this, okay, it is going to say 100 is not present in the list. Okay, so this is how you do a linear search. Okay, now one more example I want to give, okay, of this particular linear search itself is, now I'm going to have, intentionally I'm going to create 55 many times, okay, and I'm going to capture all the occurrences of 55 and all the indexes of those. Okay, so here let me just put it like this, 55, and let me say 222, then 333, 444, then again 55. Okay, see, now this time I have increased the length of my list, and item I'm trying to find is 55. Okay, and index value, okay, I want to capture all the indexes wherever 55 is there, so I'm going to make it as an empty list. Okay, I'm going to make it as an empty list. Now this result variable, okay, the result variable which is outside the loop, okay, which is outside the loop, I'm going to intentionally keep it inside the loop like this every single time. Okay, once again, okay, let me copy this and paste it over here, and let me get rid of this from this particular place. Okay, see guys, the same concept, I'm going to loop through each and every item of this particular list L1, so from 0 to length of L1. Okay, and every time, okay, every time this loop okay starts, the value is going to be, the result value is going to be false. Okay, and if any of those items matches, like if 55 matches with 11, like this, it keeps on continuing. See, when it matches like this, okay, what I'm going to do in the index, okay, I'm going to append that particular index value. So here I'm going to change the result to true, and then in index I'm going to append the value of I, so one by one. Okay, and then no need to break the program because I have to continue. See, once it is done, it is going to append the index value in this index list, and then it has to continue the program. It has to continue searching for 66, then again like this, and again when it finds 55, okay, when it finds 55, this index also it is going to append in this particular this thing. Okay, like this, it is going to become, the result is going to become false again, and then again the loop is going to start from 22, 222, 333, 444, and then again at this index when item becomes equal to 55. Okay, so this becomes so I'll make the result as true. So every time the result becomes true, it is going to append one value inside the index. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to just print this particular statement saying that this item is present in all these places. Okay, it is present in all these places. That's it. Okay, and this time this is not required. Okay, this is not required. Let me just remove this. Okay, and let's bring this indentation here, and this time I'm going to say like this, 55. Okay, the item 55 is at indexes. Okay, indexes, and here we are going to pass that particular list of index like this. Okay, now let me just execute this statement and see, as you can see, the item 55 is at indexes 4, 10 and 14. So let us cross verify. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 55 is at 4th index. That is perfectly correct. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it is saying 10 also. Then 11, 12, 13 and 14. So like this, we can find out the occurrences of this particular item by doing a linear search from starting till the end and printing all the indexes of that particular item. Okay, I hope you like this video. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching.